Hello to the nation. Hello to the nation, Dr. PlayStation Nation here to chat to you guys over a very useful how to Twitch video, guys. This is how to Twitch stream with the click of a button. This is a one-button stream tutorial, guys. A lot of, streaming softwares claim that they can make, oh, streaming is as easy as clicking this button, and it really isn't. There's a ton of settings you need to do beforehand, and usually those softwares, things like, AverMedia supplies a software similar to that. You got Elgato that supplies software similar to that, and you don't get a great stream out of it. You don't get the amazing stream with your donators on screen, with, a timer going, showing you guys, your schedule pops up with notifications, all those various other things. You don't really get that in those one-button streaming things. This is a legitimate one-button stream button, like your streaming button, and I guess I'll stop trying to explain it and actually show you guys. So over here is my my secondary monitor. Over here is my primary monitor, and with the click of one of my buttons on my keyboard, I am going to open up absolutely everything required for me to stream. As you guys can see, everything's opening up. I got T-Board opening up. I got Minecraft opening up. I got TeamSpeak opening up. Skype opened up. I have my dashboard opened up, all of these various things opened up, and not only did they just open, they're already set up where they need to be. As you guys can see, my TeamSpeak is set up right there. I can see all my stuff going on. Then I can simply click my Twitch chat. My Twitch chat is opened up in its own window, as you guys can see. Oh, there we go. I got my Plug DJ opened up. You got my dashboard opened up. All these various things opened up. It is extremely convenient, and just by hitting play, I just hit play on Minecraft. My stream tip alerter is opened up as well, and just by hitting play on Minecraft, from there I can actually go over to my stream scene. Here we go, if I can find it. My stream scene, and done. It's all absolutely done. I actually messed up the Plug DJ. I need to scroll over there. I actually don't know why that's not working. This is terrible. This is terrible right here. Let's edit that scene, and let's see what the problem is. So what was the issue? Refresh. I would need to stop recording and start recording. It's just a OBS issue. OBS is in beta, and I would need to stop and start, and then it would work. It actually does work. And sometimes I run into that issue, but anyway, that's pretty much what it is. I'm all ready to stream, which is, sorry about that bug, guys. It's just something that happens sometimes. So anyway, I'm ready to stream Minecraft or do whatever I want. I can just hit start streaming and I'm ready with the click of a button from a completely just starting computer. And how do you do this? So I'm going to switch over to my second desktop, or my desktop here. I'm going to close a bunch of these things. And also it uses something that, people are saying hi to me. I don't exactly know what I did. But anyway, people are, people don't know that you can actually make Twitch chats, Twitch windows on their own. You can do stuff like that. You can do Plug DJs on their own, and how to make these pop up at their proper size. So if you do things like a window capture, you don't need to bother with resetting it every time. Same thing goes for my dashboard here. I don't need to bother with resetting this every single time. I simply just need to, boom, make it once, and it's going to open up every single time at that same resolution, the same aspect ratio, all that different stuff. So we're gonna close all of this stuff back down just so that it's not really an eyesore anymore. And then we're gonna close Skype down. And of course, quit Skype. And there we go. So we're back at, so how do you guys do something like this? So you're gonna wanna start off making this stream folder on your desktop. So you're gonna wanna start off doing that. Make a stream folder on your desktop or in your documents, wherever you wanna go. And then you're also going to want to open up Notepad. You're gonna wanna open up Notepad. I'm gonna use Notepad++ because it's color coded and I like it better. So you guys are gonna want to open up Notepad++, and you guys can go to the paste bin in the description. I'm going to offer you guys a paste bin in the description, and you guys can copy this. It's pretty basic. You guys probably type it in the time it takes you to go there, but just to make sure you don't screw up, it's @ echo off, and then this is going to be the line that actually starts all your various applications. So anyway, what are we going to do here? So this first line is required, so you need to put that line there. And then what we're going to do with this folder is we're going to snap that over to the side. What we're going to do with that folder is we actually need to populate this with all the things that we want to start. So all the different applications that we want to start. So, you can start off with things like Skype. So we can go to Skype. In order to find the Skype what am I trying to say? The Skype.exe, the actual application runner. What you guys can actually do is you're gonna go to this PC. You guys then go to your local drive, so your boot drive. You're then going to look through your program files, and Skype is right there. You're gonna go to browser. Is it not there? It's not there. Okay. Other thing you can do is Windows key. Yeah, there we go. Skype, we're going to open file location. So there you go. So if you do Windows key S, you'll be able to search. You can search up Skype, and it's going to show you where it is. So Skype for desktop. You guys are going to create a shortcut. So the shortcut is then going to be placed on the desktop like so, and you drag it in. Boom, Skype is going to launch. You guys can do the same thing for TeamSpeak. So we're going to type in TeamSpeak like so, right click, open file location, as you guys can see here, and then we're going to create a shortcut. So we're going to create a shortcut. It's going to open up on desktop, and then we're going to go there. So that basically is what you guys got to do with all the various softwares that you use. So I use Tboard, I use TweetDeck, I use Stream Tip Alert. I use a ton of different softwares that you guys will find in the playlist in the description, all the like how-to videos. So in How to Twitch, I'm going to do all of those various softwares if I already haven't. You guys can go check out how to use all those and the softwares I use to make the stream look like I do. So anyway, so that is that. And then the most complicated part is actually going to be making the little things there that are going to pop up for various windows. So things like if I wanted to open up like a plug DJ or something similar. So something like this, what I would want to do is you're going to want to open up the link. So open up the link like you would. You can even open up a Twitch chat as well. So if you guys want to open up your Twitch chat, you go twitch.tv/yourname, so your Twitch channel name /chat. That's going to open up the chat in its own window. And then, so say this plug DJ, I want to do that. I'm going to hit this button over here, the settings sort of button, drop down menu. And then you're going to want to go to tools. So we're going to want to find tools in this menu. So right here, tools. And then we're going to want to go to create application shortcuts. It's the first one. You're going to click that and hit create. And once you hit create, it's going to create it on the desktop like so. So it's going to close your tab. It's going to create it on the desktop, so we can drag that in there. And then when I open that, it's going to always open up in the same diameter or whatever as I closed it at. So as you guys can see, it's set up currently like that. I can scroll over to get it all set up and stuff. And there we go. It's just going to work like that. Same thing goes for this. We can go to here. We're going to go to tools, and then we're going to go create application shortcut. Hit desktop, and boom, we just created another application shortcut. Now, you're asking, Nick, how do I make that all open up with the click of a button? So now you already have done the most difficult part. So you guys did the most difficult part right there, which is basically going to be getting all of your things assembled, which is, you know, pretty useful, getting all of those assembled. And now you have this stream folder, which you could go here and Control A and hit enter and then, you know, do that. But you don't want to do that. You want to do it all with a button. You guys want to do it all with one single button. So the way that you're going to do that is depending on how many things you have. So we have, what is this? 4 things. So we're going to do Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. So we have 4 things now. And we're going to call this one, plug. We're gonna call this one plug DJ. So it can be absolutely anything. You could put watermelons and mints in this thing. Just make sure that they're in the quotation marks. Then we're going to do Twitch chat. Then we are going to do Skype, and then we are going to do TS, so that's for TeamSpeak. So I'm actually going to take Skype out because I don't want my Skype opening again. But there we go. We got these. And now you guys are wondering, Nick, what does this target mean? What does that target mean? Well, it basically means you're just going to have to right click on here like so. So say we want plug DJ. So this is the Cream Music plug DJ. You're going to right click on it, and then you're going to go properties, and then you're going to select this target. So this right here next to target, you're going to select it, Control C, and then you're going to paste it right here. So as you guys can see, boom, I can paste Cream Music in here, and there we go. It's also going to paste quotation marks with it, so you guys probably want to delete the extra quotation marks that will exist now. There we go. So you guys might want to delete those. Then we're going to have Twitch chat. So you're going to do the exact same thing with the Twitch chat. You're going to go properties, you're going to paste or copy that, and then you're going to paste that within the target, like so. So we're going to want to delete those actually. And then finally, you're going to have the last target, which is for your TeamSpeak. It's going to look a bit different than the other ones. It's going to be shorter for one, just because it's linking to a file location. And then boom, now there you go. You got your TeamSpeak set up there. So then now what you have to do is you have to go File, Save As, and you need to save it as a stream.bat. like so, or not /bat, .bat, like so, and you're gonna hit yes, and then you're gonna want to replace that, and boom, there we go. Now we've done, you know, half the job. You guys might want to have as many programs as you want open up, and you can even have files open up. So say you want to open up a particular, you know, Photoshop PSD that you guys want to open up in Photoshop or in another software, you guys can do that. So from there, if we double click the stream, you guys will see all these various things pop up. So you guys will see the TeamSpeak did open up, you guys will see the Cream Music Plug DJ opened up, and you guys will see the Twitch chat opened up. So those 3 things opened up, which is nice. But now we have this BAT file that's going to be on your desktop that you need to, you know, every single time you want to do something, you need to click it. Now, how are you going to hotkey that to a number? Now, there's various softwares to do this. I'm not going to link you to a particular software. Most people that are doing Twitch streams, you probably have some form of gaming keyboard. If that is true, if you do have a gaming keyboard, there is a hotkey software that goes along with it. For my case, I have a Corsair K90. So here's my, I don't want to do that. I want to do assign key. And here's my software. So basically, this is how mine works. You guys are going to have different softwares, and you guys are going to have to figure out how they work in particular. I know Razer Synapse exists. If you guys have a Razer keyboard, you guys have that software. But also, there is third-party softwares out there that you guys can go look up how to hotkey a file. And if you guys can't find that, then maybe this is just good enough for you guys. You guys can just click your stream, and boom, you got your stuff opening up. And yeah, so anyway, hopefully that works out for you guys. Hopefully that kind of, you know, is a good tutorial. If you guys want, you know, if you guys want to know, my stream file opens up about 9 or 10 applications or various different files and stuff like that. So anyway, there you guys go. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. We're actually going to switch back to here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, remember to slam that like button down below. Check out the rest of the playlist, guys. I know these videos tend to be kind of, you know, very dry, but they hopefully teach you something that you didn't know before. So make sure you guys slam the like button. Check out the playlist down below. Check out all the other how-to Twitch videos. Goes over things like how to make your mic sound as good as mine. This is only like a $60 microphone, and I get to make it sound much better than it actually does. You guys can learn different things like how to actually set up the overlays to look like mine, how to have pop-ins on your streams, and all that various other stuff. So anyway, hopefully you guys did enjoy. I'm the Doctor, and I am out. Bye.